Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Walmart. We're going to go through all of the wardrobe staples, and if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new, and let's go shopping. These camis are so good, and they have some new colors. So they have the thin strap, scoop neckline, really nice length through the front and the back, in the blue, purple, pink, burgundy, rust, black, white, red, navy, beige, gray, and green, and they're $4.48. Tunic tees from Time and True. These have that crew neckline, the scoop in the back. They're nice and stretchy. In the navy and white, there's the gold and white, solid black, blue, fuchsia, green, the gold and white, and pink and white, and they're $9.98. New seamless bodysuits. These are super soft and stretchy. They have a thin strap, a plunging V neckline. It is a thong style bodysuit in the white, and they are $8.98. New mock neck tops from Time and True. So these have that mock neckline, short sleeve, nice longer length. These are super soft and stretchy. And the burgundy also comes in black and the olive, and they're $7.98. Neck tops from Free Assembly. So these are stretchy. It's kind of like between a t-shirt and then like a seamless material. Longer sleeve, fitted through the body, that same fit through the back in the white and black stripe. Also comes in the solid black, and they're $12. They have new colors in the rib tanks. I love these. They're so nice for the price. Under $3, and they usually do like 5 or more for like a really good discount. So they have that thin strap, square neckline, ribbed, fitted through the body, the really good length. And this new rust, they have a burgundy, brown, white, gray, black. There's white. How pretty is this? Blue, teal, green, and red. They also brought back these waffle tops from Time and True in some really cool colors. So these have that crew neckline. It's a relaxed fit. They're perfect to layer for when it gets cooler. You could wear them now with your shorts. In the pink, they also have the orchid, this new blue, gray, black. On this side, they have the oatmeal, olive, navy, burgundy, and rust, and they're $8.98. And then they have a new style of mock neck top. These have that band at the top, sleeveless, fitted through the body. It's a thicker seamless material in the black and also in this nude color. And they are going to be $10. And then they have lots of new colors in the fleece zip-ups from Time and True. So these are a nice relaxed fit. You can size down in these. They have the ribbed wrist, ribbed bottom, kangaroo pockets. I always stock up on these in the beginning of fall every year. They're really easy to throw on. And then they also have those dresses. I'm actually wearing one today to also match. So they have the silver hardware, the kangaroo pocket, hood in the back in the navy, burgundy, beige, black, gray, rust, olive, and pink, and they're $15.98. So this is the extra small. That's what it looks like on. New V-neck sweatshirts from No Boundaries. These are so good. They have that plunging V drop sleeve, ribbed wrist, the ribbed bottom. You can see it comes up a little bit more in the front. I wouldn't say it's cropped, depending on how high the rise is on the pants. But it comes in the purple. There's also this gray blue. There's an ivory and black. And they are only $10.98. This has that soft fleece, the split V drop sleeve, ribbed wrist, that sweatered bottom. Really good length in the brown. Also comes in the black. And they're $19.98. And then these snap pullovers have the seam detail drop sleeve, the ribbed wrist with the ribbed bottom, in the navy, pink, green, and ivory. And these are going to be to match. They have these like scuba sweatshirts from Avia. So these have the crew neckline, drop sleeve, the banded wrist, the little zipper detail on the side, a little bit more length in the back. This is the extra large with the seam in the ivory, black, and burgundy. And they're going to be $19.98. And then they also have the joggers in both the ivory and black. We saw the burgundy. New fleece pullovers from Avia. So these have a mock neck when it's zipped or a collar when it's unzipped. Really good Lululemon style seam detailing, drop sleeve, the ribbed wrist, the little zippered bottom. Really good length. This is the large. And then it has a little zippered pocket in the chest area. It also comes in the black. and these are $24.98. I shared these sweatpants. Now they have the new soft sweatshirts from Athletic Work. So these are that super soft material. It has that drawstring, relaxed fit in the blue, black. There's green, gray. This one is it's the lilac, and they're $15.98. And on this side they have the new sweatpants. These have that elastic waistband, that true jogger bottom, in all of those same colors, and they're also $15.98. Sneak peek item, we're seeing trench coats come back for fall, and this one is from Sofia Vergara. So it has that oversized collar, lapel, double-breasted buttons, relaxed through the wrist. It is completely lined on the inside, has the side pocket, like a twill kind of raincoat material. Same kind of fit through the back, in the leopard, another trend, and then also in the black, and they are going to be $49. Sneak peek faux leather jackets from Sofia Vergara. So these have that oversized collar, lapel. It's completely lined, open front, zippered pockets, relaxed through the wrist with that zipper detail, and then the seam detailing in the back. This is the medium, this is the 3XL. And they are going to be $38. And then also new from Sofia Vergara are these faux leather blazers. This has the smaller collar, lapel, the one button. It has the pocket on the front. It's completely lined on the inside. These are really buttery soft. Really good length through the back with the seam detail, pulling it in. And these are going to be $42. New crop trench coats from Free Assembly. So these have the oversized collar, lapel, double-breasted buttons, side pocket. It has this little button on the wrist so you can make it a little tighter. Has that same kind of fit through the back. Really nice details in the green. It also comes in the camel, and they're going to be $36. These jackets are perfect for an hourglass or pair, because usually these oversized jackets don't come in at the waist, but now you have that ability with the belt. So sneak peek item from Free Assembly. It has that mid-size collar, full button, the two flat pockets with the button on the wrist. Really good length in the dark indigo. Also comes in that ivory, and these are going to be $36. New jacket from Free Assembly. So this one has the smaller collar. It's a full button down, two flat pockets, also the lower flat pockets, button on the wrist, and these are probably online only. It has that seam detailing in the back. New vest and skirt sets from No Boundary. So this one has the thicker strap, that scoop neckline, buttons completely lined. The skirt is side zip. It is a little shorter. This is the extra small, so it comes in this brown plaid, the black and white pinstripe. Both pieces are $18.98. The smaller collar, lapel, tortoise button, relaxed through the wrist, and these are going to be $39. Also new from Scoop are these mock neck sweaters. So these are nice, soft, and stretchy. They have that side seam detailing, the drop sleeve, ribbed wrists. It's a little slit. Relaxed fit, flowy, a really good length for your jeggings and leggings, and then it's that same kind of relaxed fit through the back. In this peach, also comes in black and purple, and they are going to be $28. New zip sweaters from Free Assembly. So these have the mock neck when it's zipped up, or that oversized collar when it's unzipped. The seam detailing, it's completely ribbed, oversized ribbed bottom with a little slit, ribbed wrist, and it is a balloon style sleeve. That same kind of fit through the back with the ivory and green stripe. Also comes in the gold, and they're $26. There's a sneak peek item from Free Assembly. I also like this one for an apple body type. It has the higher neckline, also has the puff sleeve. It's a nice relaxed fit through the body, really good length with the ribbing at the bottom, and then that same fit through the back. And this one is going to be $22. New cardigans from Free Assembly. These have that rounded collar. It has the gold buttons. They look like the two front pockets, and that same fit through the back, and the ivory. Also comes in the navy and white, and they're going to be $28. First thing I'm seeing are these cardigans from No Boundaries. They have that plunging V neckline, oversized buttons, drop sleeve, ribbed wrist with the ribbed bottom. That same longer fit through the back. And the gray bear also comes in green with the black stars. There's black with the skull. And beige with the flowers. And then another skull. And these are going to be $17.98. Actually, these are a shorter fit. So these have that V neckline, tortoise button, drop sleeve, ribbed wrist. It is that shorter fit with the ribbed bottom. Only thing this one in this style, and they're going to be $16.98. New crew neck sweaters from No Boundaries. So they have the higher neckline, drop sleeve. It has a ribbed wrist with the ribbed bottom. The same kind of fit through the back. These are super soft and stretchy. In the navy with NYC, burgundy with whatever. They have gray with Nope. And then the black. And it's over it. And these are $14.98. New chenille cardigans from No Boundaries. So these are super soft. They have that pointel detailing, drop sleeve, ribbed wrist, the 2 pockets, ribbed bottom, the same kind of fit through the back. In the ivory also comes in mauve. There's green and black, and they're $18.98. New satin button-down shirts from Scoop. So these have that mid-size collar, full button, the same detailing going across. Also has the banded with the bell sleeve. It's a relaxed fit with the seam in the back. In the ivory also comes in black, and they're $22. Right next to that, they have the new, like, first of the plaid tops from Time and Tru. These have that smaller collar, full button down, button on the wrist, does have the tab sleeve, 1 pocket, scoops in the back, seam in the back. In the beige and white, these are really nice and lightweight, so perfect transition. They also come in the black and gray. There's the light pink and lavender, and then also the blue and white plaid, and they're $15.98. Also new flannel hoodies from Time and Tru. These have a little bit of a drop sleeve, the button on the wrist, full button down the 1 pocket. It's a lined hood. You could see it scoops in the back for coverage. In the beige and white, and they're going to be $15.98. Another sneak peek item are these button-down shirts from Free Assembly. So these have that smaller collar, button on the wrist, the seam detailed through the sleeve, scoop in the back with the seam going across. In the white also comes in this blue stripe, and they're $22. And then you could also pair this new sneak peek top from Free Assembly for a pair or hourglass. So this has that tie detail, the plunging V, this little shoulder detail, button on the wrist, and then that seam detailing in the back. And these are regularly going to be $26. More colors in the button downs from No Boundaries. So this one is that more like corset style button where it's going to be a little fitted and smocked in the back. Has the little V neckline, button detail on the wrist. Shorter fit through the front and the back. You might want to size up one. This is the medium, so it actually looks true to size, but it is shorter. So now it comes in the solid black. We saw the pinstripe. We also saw the blue, and they're $14.98. Also from Time and Tru are these faux leather leggings. So these are nice high rise. They're fitted through the leg. In the brown, also comes in the black. These are very comparable to the Spanx, and they're $14.98. New pieces from Avia. I did pick up a couple of these, so if you're interested, make sure you check out my next haul. But these have a high-rise band. It's fitted through the leg. These remind me so much of Lululemon with the V in the back. Comes in the purple. There's also the blue. There's green, and then it also comes in this beige color. The leggings are only, I think they're $12. Yeah, $12.98. The V-neck tops have that built-in shelf bra. They're long line. They are a little cropped with the scoop in the back. Also $12.98. In all of those colors, there's black and then also that light blue color. Look at all the fun new Halloween leggings. These are from these are that soft and stretchy material. So they have black with the spider webs. There's little crystal balls, and also black with the white and gray spider webs. There's this purple with the cats and skulls. And then on this side, they have the pumpkins. These are $6.98, the purple. And there's also a leopard. There's that black and brown. Stretchy leggings from Athletic Work. So these have a high rise fitted through the leg. They have both an option with the side pocket and then without the pocket. They also have the full length with the 28-inch inseam. They have a capri, a more relaxed fit pant, and a jogger. They're $14.98. We're gonna go with the black, but they also come in that gray. New mid-rise straight jeans from Signature by Levi. So these have just a little bit of whiskering. They're straight through the leg. The inside, that's what it looks like. And then pockets on the back. So it comes in the dark indigo, also in the mid-tone. And these are going to be $26.98. Also new wide leg seam jeans from Time & Tru. These are high rise. They have the whiskering, seam detailing through the front, and pockets in the back, and they're $22.98. New cargo jeans from Time & Tru. These are a high rise. They have the whiskering, the 2 flat pockets, a boot cut with pockets on the back, and a little crisscross belt loop. In the dark indigo, also comes in olive, and these are $22.98. Via Vergara straight leg jeans. So these are high rise. They have the whiskering, a little bit of distressing at the knee, raw hem at the bottom, seam kind of fit through the back, and these are going to be $24. New wide leg pants from Celebrity Pink. So these are a high rise. They have the pleated detailing, the side pocket, they're flowy through the leg, and then that same fit through the back. They're adjustable with the buttons on the waist, so you can really pull it in if you have that hourglass or pear. And these are $20.50. Also new flare jeans from Time & Tru. These are a high rise. The front pockets, the perfect amount of flare with the little slit, and then pockets on the back. And these are $19.98. New colors in the pull-on jeggings. These are a cargo skinny, so that's what the inside looks like. They have the elastic waistband, no zipper or button, but they do have functioning pockets fitted through the leg in the camel. Then they also have in the boot cut this denim, the pork chop pockets and the flat pocket. They have in the skinny the olive, and then the black is the jogger style with the cargo pockets, and they're $14.98. New denim on the table. So these are all $11 or $10.88. These are a high-rise skinny. It's what the ankle looks like. In the light chambray, there's a mid-tone, the dark indigo, and black. New oversized cuff jeans from Free Assembly. So these are a high-rise. They have the 2-pocket seam detail, pockets on the back. It's a mid-rise crop. Also comes in the white, and they're $29. But I'm gonna end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.